Sam, I've got a treat for you.
I only drink alcohol on days that start with a T, so that's Tuesday, Thursday, today, tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday.
Sit.
What? Miss? Lucifer! Are you homophobic?
Ginger! Look at me!
Man, shut your...
Bro, that is not okay. You know you can't be. you know. Stop. Are you growling at me?
Oh my god.
You're really about to. You're pulling up a root.
Yeah, let's just keep.
What the hell?
Я должен разбудить тебя.
You're done. You're done.
Excuse me, I need some socks. Thank you.
Ow! What the? Oh my god! Can I have my eat breakfast in peace? Look! Oh my god!
Listen, I'm 26. Holy.
Which way did he go, George? Which way did he go?
That way.
Well, gee, thanks a lot, George. Thanks a lot.
Are you new here?
Yeah.
Stop it. Do I need to remind you?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit.
What do you think, Wackus Bonkus? Kill him. Who? You naughty Wackus Bonkus.
Leo, you want food?
Go ahead, log off for me.
You scared?
What did you just say?
Oh God. Give her some space. I get that you I get you love her, but she needs space.
Park?
That thing bleeding to the, you know what I mean?
Walkie slush.
That thing bleeding, P.
Here's my kitchen. That's not quite yet finished. That's Charlie. She's a dick.
I love you. Now you set my soul on fire.
But you still have to say, okay, Mom.
Hey, bud. You're fine. How you feeling?
Trade. Mija, mama hama baba.
That's suspicious.
Look at me. Alfie, Alfie! Hey, boy, that was a fast one. You having a beautiful life? Oh, he's so squishy.
Someone needs to explain. Like, for real. I just don't get it. Like, how in the world is my cat this cute?
Don't mind me, I'm just getting my earplugs.
Wait, no. Wait. Wait.
That makes does not give a crap.
If somebody say something I don't like, slap. If somebody look at me a way I don't like, slap. Somebody breathe too hard around me, slap, slap.
Scorpio is a very interesting sign. They're very sexual. They're very sexual.
Stop it! No!
Let me in. Tokyo.
This is your new house. This is your home.
No, look at me like that again, please. Hey, let me see how you were looking at me when I wasn't even looking at you. Are you gonna kill me? They'll find this on my phone.
Lola niya pagod na.
My bee barking blueberry.
Oh my god, are you okay? Are you okay?
I never see people post TikToks about what they actually look like when they wake up. Let's start a challenge. Duet this and show me what.
Oh my god! No. No. No.
Everyone just has like a bowl of cats on their dining room table, right? Like, you all have one of these, right?
Want some still?
Oh, you can't even make the keys go. That's how light you are.
Did you need something? I have to show you something, what I do. Okay.
Oh my god. I can't hold it.
Out of all the positions you could choose to lay in, this is the one you've settled on? Okay.
That is so...
I'm crying. Hey, what kind of juice do you have? Oh. Mimi's. Oh, hi. What kind of juice do you have? Ah! Okay.
Bella. She was joking. She had to be joking. Nothing's wrong with the name Bella. Ah!
No, sir, stop. 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 Oh my god!
Tickle, tickle! Tickle, tickle!
That's right. That's right. Call for your mama.
Bring me a toy. All the way from the basement. Wow, thank you.
The floof is a trap, the floof is a trap. The floof is a trap, the floof is a trap. The floof is a trap, I'm gonna try to pet the floof. Is it a trap?
Come on. You gotta get up. I'm sorry. I gotta get up. I'm sorry. Come on. Can't get up? Can't get up? Oh, I'm sorry.
Hello, anybody home? Oh, hey. Hey, what's going on in there? Look at you. You got a whole stash. Oh! Boy, do that again, I dare you.
Bando, I just took a huge shit in there.
Penny, ¿qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó, Penny? Por atrás, ahí voy.
On the 19th floor. Turned out that he wasn't in love with me, like I thought. What I'm trying to say is, I understand feeling as small and as insignificant as humanly possible.
You insist on laying this close to me when I'm working, then I guess I'll kill two birds with one stone. You're a good mouse pad.
Can I see it? Why did you print this?
Beat him up. Beat him up. Beat him up. Beat him up. Hey. Hey. No. Ew.
You guys, this is real life. What are you doing, sir?
I hope you're hungry, Emily. Because someone's making biscuits!
You better get your ass out this bed. You better get your ass out my room.
Does anyone else own a cat that's super cute and usually looks amazing in photos and videos, but sometimes at certain angles looks like this?
No. Nope.
Magic. Magic.